Hi guys, welcome back to Dexter's Technologies YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about biotech jobs or life science jobs. It is a huge threat in life science students that what job I am going to get, where will I get placed. My IT friends are already placed in so and so IT companies. They are earning 20-25,000 per month. Where I am going to be placed? What is my future? All those things. Yes. The saddest truth is the opening for biotechnology is very less. That every biotech student has to understand, every life science student has to understand that. Next is the experience. For any biotech company or any life science company, experience is more important, for which the freshers doesn't have the skill sets to enter into biotech jobs. So, first part is your number of openings, second is experience, third is your skill sets. Yeah. So how do you going to go through or cross these obstacles and get a job? Yeah. There are lots of dry lab or to be frank, it is pharmacovigilance kind of jobs are available in biotech. Even many people choose that line as well. But how people choose the core biotechnology is very much important, right? So that is where we are going to learn the skill sets which the industry is required. Do you think the industry has time to train you and give a training for 3 months? Then you tell I am not okay for this job. No, I am going to go for some other job like that. No, the industry doesn't have the time. And the product development or the cell or pharmaceutical work or the industry is pumping in so much huge lot of fund to manufacture. How will they give a training to you to learn the things? Then how do you get that skills? That is where the project. That is where the skill sets you are learning during the college time, that project and where you are doing the project, how you are doing or designing the project, how confident you are is going to help you to face the interview and face the biotech market. I can give you a statistics. There are companies in and around Bangalore. Okay, consider Bangalore. There are around 300 to 400 good biotech firms available. In that 300 to 400 biotech firms, there are nearly 500 to 600 openings. And considering the 500 to 600 opening, a college, number of colleges in Bangalore is somewhere around 100 plus, and each college has minimum of 50 candidates. So 50 into 100, 50,000 students are there for 500, 600 opening. So how you are going to be stand out of the box? So that is where you need to know the skills, learn the skill sets, how you are going to handle equipments, your experience in handling equipments, experience in laboratory management, experience in good laboratory practices, experience in handling difficult situation when the research or the project or the results are going in negative, or how to interpret the results is all important. So the biotech jobs are very easy to get until and unless you are equipped, right? Learn to get your skill sets up. Make your resume a better version. Not just your marks is going to give you job. There are companies will have people. If an example in my this thing also, I am not a topper, but I have the skill sets in lab. How to use the equipment, how to be in lab, all those things. That is where gave me the confidence how to build a company. So, and one more thing I will tell you, it is not always necessary to search for a job. It is always, you can also think about giving job. You can ask me a question, how without experience, how can I start a company? People had started a company, people had started giving jobs. It is not just you need, the important thing is you need to just start it. Until and unless you start, you don't know what to do. You will be either scouting out for a job or thinking that I can't start a business, all those things. So have confidence in yourself, work towards building your skill sets. You will definitely get a job in biotech in a life science sector. Life science sector is not just only one or two companies, bigger companies which we know already. Okay, it is about industries, agri-technology, environmental technology, waste management, food technology, now nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, pharmacovigilance. There is n number of sectors in life sciences available. So next big sector on research projects, all those things students look for is molecular biology. So people are very much interested and fascinated about molecular biology for some reason. But the time frame what colleges give, 2 to 3 months, people think about recombinant DNA, going to CRISPR-Cas technology, bringing somebody into the new future like that, and all people think about it. But do you think, is it doable in 2 to 3 months time? So molecular biology project starts not only with a huge lot of time but also money as well. Okay, so molecular biology projects are going to be bit costlier when compared to a microbiology or an environmental microbiology work, right? So when it comes to molecular biology, there are lots of various areas of molecular biology which you can work on. And the major thing is diagnostics. More than 90% of the molecular research is towards diagnostics. So how we are going to contribute for the molecular diagnostics, or any chairside kit or any PCR kit which you can able to do it, right? So when you talk about molecular biology, obviously bioinformatics also come into picture. So how do you design a primer, or how do you design a drug, or whether it is certain molecules which can be made into a kit form, all those things. So when you are talking about molecular biology, obviously you need to learn about bioinformatics as well. So bioinformatics is another huge topic which you can do it part by part, where you can incorporate microbiology, a little portion of molecular biotechnology, and a little portion of bioinformatics to your project, which together forms as a good dissertation project. Say example, if somebody wants to isolate a pathogen from urinary tract infections or catheters or any environmental sample and use an herbal drug, a herbal molecule or a chemical molecule to do the antimicrobial susceptibility or antimicrobial activity, a person can do. And even that work can be extended to molecular docking studies such as GCMS or LCMS, or particular compounds can be analyzed using analytical techniques and then taken to bioinformatics and look forward to create a product. As I insisted earlier, project is not just a project, this is the face value for you in the future as in your resume. So think a project as a product. So any molecule which shows antimicrobial activity, which can be a druggable molecule, or which can be made it into a product in future using molecular technique and help of bioinformatics, that is the key aspect current in the market. So in the project we are talking about microbiology, you can incorporate agri-technology, you can incorporate molecular biology, you can incorporate bioinformatics. This collectively, all those things are going to be a dissertation project. It is not just only I am going to do only microbiology, isolate some microbe, do sequencing and finish. No, this is not going to be a project. That is not going to be fetch you anything other than a degree. What we are talking here is about the future. What a project can be converted, how the project can be converted into a product, right? So this is the future. How you design the project is more important, correct? So we at Dextrose, we have experience, over 8 years of experience. So we have developed, designed products for students, and as well as we are also working on industrial scale as well. So we can also help students industry professionals to able to do the failure analysis, able to do new projects, new products in their area of interest. Thank you guys.